Hi everybody, Judy Parcell here, and I thought today that I might do a simple bird, and I have to kind of hurry on this video as the sun is starting to creep across the top of my desk, and it won't be a good experience for you or me. And so this is the subject, and I'm going to tell you how I arrived at it. I started with pencil, of course, it's my typical thing, and I started to make the limb. And I start thin because limbs are thin at the end, and I kind of go like this, and I bring down a couple limbs that make it interesting. And I make it a little thicker as I go along. Oops. I definitely want to have a limb on the other side because there are limbs on both sides of the main limb. So let me get just the shape of the limb first. Okay. All right. Put another one here. And I'll do another one over here. This is definitely winter. Yeah, just make it like that. The bird is a big circle and then a little circle up above here for the head. And then I break it down to shapes. So you got the feet, and they're clinging to the tree. The feet, okay. So the shapes for the wings, I want this to be an excited bird. Excited. It's either, yeah, you're just excited about something. Who knows? So I'm going to make his beak open. That might be a bit extreme there. Okay. A bit extreme. Let's go. Boop, 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 boop. And give him an eye. And the other way to demonstrate that excitement is to make the wings excitable. There's a wing on this side of the circle, and there's a wing on this side of the circle. And I start the wing on the other side of the circle by starting from this line, and I go up like this, and I'm kind of exaggerating his excitement. And then I want to bring another one up off this side like this, and he's going to be very excitable, this wing. And you taper them down because they don't go forever. There, I can do that one. And then the tail usually comes up like this, and it's up like this. You know, they get into the full Monty on this when they get excited. So you want to come up and out. Just like that. He's squawking. Now there's the basic bird, and I'm going to follow up with pen and ink. I'll start with my limb. So easy to do this once you get the pencil in. Yeah. And this is the meditative part for me. Maybe a little one there. Okay. I want to come in here. You know, branches go all different kinds of ways. And this one's going to go like this, and like this. And I'll finish off this one. You notice I'm just doing like, yeah, okay. This one actually goes like this. And you shorten up that fat self. And then I think I'll come out like this a little more. You see, I'm taking some liberties here. Because as I draw, I go, oh, you know what? This needs something different. Okay. So I changed that from what my drawing was, and that's okay. So this is going to flip up here. This bird is going to be highly excitable. And this is highly excitable. Okay. And there is my bird, and I'll give him a little blackness there. Now I'm done with that part, so I'm going to come in with the eraser. Now I love this part because it discloses the real drawing. So much nicer. And that sun is getting ready to creep on my desk. So this was a timely lesson. Okay. Oh, the weather here has been so wonderful. It's been ideal for my walks and exploratory trips into my garden to see where it's at. Anyway, there is the bird. I think I can erase a little bit more of this. Maybe. Okay. There's my bird. Kind of fun. Anyway, thank you for joining me. And you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later.